Hey guys, welcome to our channel Mystify Maths. I hope you all are safe during this corona epidemic. I have created this channel to share with you the most interesting puzzles and shortcut tricks which will help you to speed up your calculations and will surely boost up your IQ level. So why to waste time? Let's get started. In my first video, I will be sharing with you a very interesting maths trick which is how to find digit at units place. So you can see on the screen there are some numbers written like 234 raised to the power 312, 5763 raised to the power 761, 4125 raised to the power 1024. You would have seen in most of the competitive exams they ask to find the digit at units place of these numbers. Okay, so what do you mean by digit at units place? Like if you have a number 617, then this 7 is the digit at units place. 1 is the tens place digit and 6 is the 100 place digit. Okay, so as you know, we can have 0 to 9 at the units place. So I have divided this trick into 4 different rules. Rule 1 is for 0, 1, 5 and 6. Means whenever you have 0, 1, 5 or 6 at the unit place of any given number, then this rule is applicable. Like let's take some examples. Now you have 726 raised to the power 548. Here you can see 6. We have 6 at the unit place. 9020 raised to the power 234. Here we have 0 at the units place. 3745 raised to the power 2361. Here we have 5 at its units place. And 1411. Here we have 1 at its units place. So whenever we will have 0, 1, 5 or 6 at the unit place of any number, then whatever the powers the number is raised to, after solving, we will have the same digits at the units place. Like 720, what I mean is 726 raised to the power 548 will have 6 only at its units digit. Similarly, 9020 raised to the power 234 will have 0 at its units place. This 3745 raised to the power 2361 will have 5 at its units place, and 1411 will have 1 at its units place. Now, rule 2 is for numbers 2, 4 and 8. That is, whenever we have 2, 4 or 8 at the unit place of any number, then we have to apply rule number 2. Rule 2 we have divided into 2 cases. One when power is divisible by 4 and the other when power is not divisible by 4. So let's take some example where all the powers are divisible by 4. Now 242, we have 2 as a unit place and the power is 44. You can easily see that 44 is divisible by 4. Now 628, here also 76 is divisible by 4 and we have 8 at its units place. 334 raised to the power 512. Here 512 is divisible by 4 and we have 4 at its units place. Then whenever we have 2, 4 or 8 at the unit place of any number and the powers to which they are raised are divisible by 4, then after solving we will get 6 at its units place. Okay, any number which have 2, 8, 4 at its units place and the powers to which they are raised are if divisible by 4, then the answer will be 6. You will get 6 at its units place. The next case is when power is not divisible by 4. That is, if we divide it by 4, we get some remainder. Like let's take an example. 54 raised to the power 57. Here we have 4 at the unit place and 57 is not divisible by 4. Then what we have to do is we have to calculate the remainder. What remainder we will get? So after dividing by 57 by 4, we are getting remainder as 1. Then what we have to do to find the digit? You have to take the digit at the unit place of the given number raised to the power remainder. That is 4 raised to the power 1. We will get 4. 4 will be the answer. So, okay. So the next example is 628 raised to the power 106. Here we have 8 at its units place and 106 is not divisible by 4. When we calculate the remainder, we get 2. Okay, so the digit at the units place of 628 raised to the power 106 will be 8 raised to the power 2. This 8 is the digit at its units place, digit at the unit place of the given number, and 2 is the remainder. So 8 raised to the power 2, which is 64. Now here we are getting 2 zeros number. Then what we will do is we'll take the unit place of this number number as the answer. So we will be getting answer as 4. Now next is 612 raised to the power 59. Here also power is 59, which is not divisible by 4, and the units place digit is 2. So what we will do is we will first calculate the remainder. Here we are getting remainder as 3. Now the digit at the unit place will be 2 raised to the power 3. 2 is the digit at the unit place of the given number raised to the power remainder, which is 8. So answer will be 8. Now we come to rule number 3. This is the rule for 3 and 7. Whenever the given number will have 3 or 7 at its unit place, then we have to apply this rule. Here also we have two cases. One when the powers are divisible by 4 and one when the powers are not divisible by 4. So let's see the first case. Here 453 raised to the power 96. Here we can see 96 is divisible by 4 and 3. You have 3 at its units place. Now 270 raised to the power 120. Here 7 is at the unit place and the power is divisible by 4. Here also 7 is at the unit place and 4000 is divisible by 4. So whenever this case is there, that is whenever we have 3 or 7 at the unit place of any given number and the powers to which they are raised are divisible by 4, then the answer will be 1. Okay, so all these will have 1 at the units place. Now the case 2 is when the powers are not divisible by 4. Here also we will have to do the same trick as we applied for rule 2. Now let's see the example. 567 raised to the power 119. Here we have 7 at the unit place and 190 is not divisible by 4. So we will calculate the remainder first. Here we are getting remainder as 3. So the digit at its units place will be 7 raised to the power 3. 7 is the unit place digit of the given number and 3 is the remainder. So 7 raised to the power 3, which is 343. Here we are getting 3 digits. Then we have to see the unit place of this number and which is 3. So 3 is the answer. Okay. Again for this same way we will do. Here 3 is at the unit place and 45 is the power, which is not divisible by 4. Here also we can easily see that remainder will be 1. Therefore, the digit at units place of 983 raised to the power 45 will be 3 raised to the power 1. 3 is the digit at the unit place of the given number and 1 is the remainder. So 3 raised to the power 1, which is 3. Now this is the last rule, which is for number 9. This is very easy. What we have to see is whenever the given number has 9 at its unit place, then you have to apply rule number 4. Here also we have two cases. One when the power is odd, one when the power is even. So let's see some examples. 569 raised to the power 35. 79 raised to the power 517. 129 raised to the power 139. Here all these numbers we have 9 at its unit place and all these powers are odd. Then we will have 9 as the answer. Okay. That is, after solving these numbers, we will have 9 at its unit digit directly. We don't have to do anything. We will write that 9 is the answer. And whenever the power is even, we will have 1 as the answer, right? 259 raised to the power 32. 590 raised to the power 64. 1029 raised to the power 3014. Here we can see we have 9 at the unit place of all these numbers and all these powers given are even. So directly we will write that the digit at the units place of these numbers after solution will be 1. So we have covered all the numbers from 0 to 9. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you have any doubts, please write me in the comment section, and do like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.